Hello friends, how are you? I hope you're fine, and today I'm very happy because my channel reached 10,000 subscriber and bundle of thanks for support me. And I have some gift for you. Here is 600 logos template. These files are in PSD and AI EPS without any password. You can download free without watch videos. You can see here is vintage logo, boutique and minimals, art deco, elegance and luxury, animals logo. So is it, I wanna show you, these are templates. Wow, so you can download and use it. Help file is here. These are fonts, just you copy and then you paste here and download your font. I say again, I'm very happy and thank you for support. Take care, Allah.